Hello, welcome to INSOWA Tutorials. Let's look at the features of INSOWA that equips businesses with cutting-edge automation for simplified business operations. In this video, we are going to take a tour of INSOWA to understand how it helps you in organizing your day's work and planning ahead. So, let's get started. Once you log in, you will see components from different modules such as sales orders, that shows the number of confirmed and pending orders. And here it gives you an overview of revenue, taxes, average rate of investment, average profit margin and average product per order. Besides that, it also gives real-time information of inventory, complete information of customers, how many customers haven't placed orders for a while, how many usually place 1 to 2 orders and how many customers place more than 2 orders. Next is the overview of purchase orders, and right here, you can view product details with real-time update of low stock items and the number of products that are near expiry date. Let's take a look at the inventory alerts here that sends you notifications of specific products that are low in stock and near to expiry. Not only this, here we have the list of top-selling products. It serves a great purpose, it helps you restock on time and also plan purchase orders according to the customer's demands. Watch our next video on inventory management to understand how INSOWA provides real-time inventory updates that helps in planning ahead.